friends.
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम है रीना
My name is Amir.
and welcome to our channel.
Life with a Russian vibe. So friends, finally वो टाइम आ गया है जिसका आप बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे और वो है हमारी लव स्टोरी का वीडियो। और
जब we met story.
और शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत, हमारे ऑलरेडी 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो चुके हैं। थैंक यू। और बात करें लव स्टोरी की, सो लव स्टोरी हमारी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रही है। बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी आए थे लाइफ में और हमने उनको एक साथ मिलके ओवरकम किया और फाइनली वी गॉट मैरिड एंड वी आर हैप्पी।
Right. Happily ever after, it's just like in a fairy tale.
दैट्स ट्रू। और शुरुआत करते हैं लव स्टोरी की। सो हमारी लव स्टोरी स्टार्ट हुई थी आज से 6 साल पहले।
Little bit more. So this is the 6th new year which we are going to celebrate together. Can you imagine? 6 new years. I tolerate him.
मेरे को टॉयलेट करना बहुत आसान है। वेरी सिंपल गाय, जस्ट सिटिंग, डूइंग नथिंग, जस्ट डूइंग नथिंग। ओके। सो बात करते हैं लव स्टोरी की। तो 6 साल पहले रशियन सेंटर में वहाँ पे मेरा एक प्रोग्राम था सिंगिंग का। सो वहाँ पे मैंने रशियन लैंग्वेज में सॉन्ग परफॉर्म करा था जिसके लिए मुझे अवार्ड भी मिला था वहाँ
So
से।
you already heard how well he is singing, but he was not just singing, he was performing on stage. And really, it was mesmerizing, you know, whenever you hear him in live, how he sings and plays guitars, you know, you have goosebumps on your skin. And I was really so much shocked or so much amused with his performance. I was thinking, wow, can you imagine? He was singing Russian song. I was really shocked, almost without an accent. That is really great.
Так пусть тебе поможет небо остановить время. Поднимая крылья твои небеса.
तो मैंने डिसाइड किया था रशियन सॉन्ग ट्राई करने का एक प्रोग्राम में। और डिफिकल्ट सॉन्ग था, थोड़ा टाइम लगा, ऑलमोस्ट अ वीक प्रिपेयर करने के लिए। बट फाइनली सबको पसंद आया, स्पेशली इरीना को पसंद आया। और शो के बाद हमारी मुलाकात हुई, हमने बात करी, नंबर एक्सचेंज करे एंड मिलने के बाद धीरे धीरे फ्रेंडशिप और ज़्यादा डेवलप हुई।
To be honest, it's not just a friendship. He became one of the best of my friends, and he was really a great friend because he was listening everything whatever I was telling him, and he was ready to support me in the things whatever I had some difficult situations. So he was really a nice person who was there for me and with me. And there was no that, you know, how people are saying, oh, love at first sight, that I met and fell in love. No, you know, first we became really very good friends.
और फ्रेंडशिप काफ़ी ज़रूरी है अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करने में। और जब तक आप किसी के फ्रेंड नहीं बनोगे आप उसके बारे में जान नहीं सकते। बिकॉज व्हेन यू बिकम फ्रेंड्स यू शेयर योर पर्सनल थिंग्स, यू शेयर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। सो एक दूसरे को काफ़ी जाना हमने काफ़ी टाइम, और काफ़ी मदद मिली सोचने में, फ्यूचर प्लान करने में। सो फ्यूचर प्लान करने की बात आई, सो वी डिसाइडेड ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट डेटिंग बिकॉज वी स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग ईच अदर।
Yeah, of course, naturally interests develop, you know, opposites attract. So I liked him, and I liked his style. I liked the way how he talks, how he treats me, and all about his thinking. So definitely I got interested in him.
और अगर इरीना की बात करूँ तो मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया उसका नेचर, बिकॉज शी इज़ वेरी जॉली टाइप ऑफ पर्सन। और शी इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट। कोई भी अगर मुझे दिक्कत होती थी या प्रॉब्लम होती थी जिसको मैं कभी डिसाइड नहीं कर पाता था क्या करना है, सो आई ऑलवेज कॉल हर एंड आस्क her के गिव मी सम सजेशन और समथिंग, एंड शी ऑलवेज हैव यू नो सजेशन
That's
आइडियाज।
wise,
Yeah,
like an owl, wise
Yeah,
owl.
she's very wise person. और अब बात करें ब्यूटी की, so you see she's keeping herself so nicely, so that also a plus factor.
So of course, and you know, like every normal couple, we were dating, we were going here and there, we were visiting all the places in Delhi and CR and all. So what to do? Because dating is like, you know, you are every time wearing pink glasses, you are already in some funny mood, you are already having every time good mood also. So
और डेटिंग की बात करूँ कि जब भी मैं बाहर मॉल में घूमता था इरीना के साथ, so every girl especially keep on staring her like this, checking. I think it's like girls have it just to check what this man is doing with this girl.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah, you see, you also notice many times when we walk in the mall, people are coming and they're staring badly.
Yes.
और इंडिया में डेटिंग भी इतना आसान नहीं है, दिल्ली में खास तौर से कहीं भी जाओ तो
You know, like,
घूरने वाले लोग बहुत हैं.
okay, holding hands. Oh my god. Not everywhere you can hold hands. Seriously? Or like, I do not know, other things like to give a kiss to each other. Why it is prohibited? For me, it was really strange. Like, what is the trouble with you guys?
पता नहीं, लेकिन हाँ इंडिया में कुछ लोगों की मेंटेलिटी भी होती है, सो वी विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट.
Right.
सो बात धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ी एंड वी थॉट टू डेट. We already liked each other. So then मैंने decide किया, so let's go to my hometown and that she will meet my parents.
That was a tricky situation. Like, oh, what will be happening? Because my family is alright with everything what I do, because I'm, trying to settle my life by myself, and they're happy that I'm independently doing all the things. So, and they're telling if I'm happy, then they're happy for me. And I believe that every family should behave in this manner. If their child is happy, you must be happy too. So, but there was totally different, totally opposite situation with his family members.
आप लोग तो जानते ही हैं इंडिया में फैमिली कैसे रिएक्ट करती है. हर किसी की नहीं, अगर ओपन माइंडेड फैमिली है सो उनको वो ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन माय फैमिली इज नॉट दैट ओपन माइंडेड. मेरे पापा ओपन माइंडेड है, मदर थोड़ी कंजर्वेटिव है. दैट वाज लाइक डिफिकल्ट टू कन्विंस हर. सो हमने डिसाइड करा कि ओके लेट्स गो एज अ फ्रेंड. सो मैंने घर पे फोन करा कि हेलो हेलो पापा, आई एम विजिटिंग यू, आई एम ब्रिंगिंग माय फ्रेंड. तो पापा ने कहा ओके आ जाओ आ जाओ.
But there was surprise. Which friend? Like, for them it was like 100%
Which
surprise.
friend? I
Which
mentioned
friend?
girlfriend is coming, not girlfriend, like girl as a friend.
Female
So,
friend.
Female friend. So मैं हम गए, आगरा गए, वहाँ पे मम्मी से मुलाकात हुई. फिर उसके बाद मम्मी को थोड़ा लगा कि हो सकता है ये कुछ और, मतलब not as a friend, मतलब कुछ और, उनको थोड़ा intuition.
Yeah, because she sensed it, her inside feelings were telling, probably I have to be aware of her because she's going to steal my baby son.
और
Mera chota beta, how to say steal? Chorna gaya.
चुराना.
Chorana gaya. And she was right.
डायलॉग वहां पे भी पढ़ रहे थे. अरे हमने तुम्हारे लिए ऑलरेडी लड़कियां देखना स्टार्ट कर दी है. सामने सामने डायलॉग पढ़ रहे थे, लेकिन मैं इग्नोर ही कर रहा था. आई गेस इग्नोर करना बेटर है, बिकॉज इफ यू डू नॉट प्लान टू मैरी अकॉर्डिंग टू पेरेंट्स चॉइस, सो इट्स बेटर टू इग्नोर. सो इग्नोर करा, कुछ दिन वहां स्टे करा, लोगों को अच्छा लगा, पसंद आया नेचर, घूमे फिरे इधर उधर, तो काफी अच्छा था
Yeah,
एक्सपीरियंस.
but the thing is that with father we had nice communication, and I like to talk to him. He was also happy to talk to me, and I felt that he's so nice person that he's okay with us. And even he also sensed that why his son brought a girl to the house.
फर्स्ट टाइम.
But with mother, she was staring like this every time. Like, she was, of course, smiling also because I was a guest. But she had that, different type of feeling about me. And we had little bit eyes between us that time, according to me.
It meant to happen. Mothers
Yes.
are mothers. They know things.
Especially mothers who are mothers of sons, not mother of daughters. Mother of daughters are easygoing. But mother of sons are, ooh.
So उसके बाद हम वापस दिल्ली आए, थोड़ा टाइम पास हुआ. Then we decided, okay, it's better to take things to next level. So we decided, okay, we will marry.
Nah, but again, you may be asked who will propose or who proposed. To be honest, there was no such a thing.
It
Like,
was mutual.
to be honest, no. I will tell. I expected you fall on your knees and do, oh my darling, I'm dying to love you. I'm dying to be with you all my life. Oh please, I beg you, be my wife. Maybe in my imagination I dreamed about that. But it was more like a human vice, not like in romantic movies.
More simple, not like a movie. More like simple type.
Yes, although I knew that we discussed about the marriage, and I knew that he's going to give me a ring. I knew that we went for dinner, if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken. And I knew that it will happen. So it was not such a surprise like in the Hollywood movies. Although I wanted maybe it will be some surprising event, but it was more humane type. Like we are all the same and proposals are happening in the same way.
Yeah, so as such कोई proposal नहीं था कि मैं बैठ के वो will you marry me something like this. So decide करा कि okay let's get married and all. So वो थोड़ा difficult situation था मेरे लिए because to convince parents in India is difficult, especially from the mother side because
Yes.
बात करें foreigner बहू की, my mother wanted Indian बहू, foreigner बहू की, my brother wife is also foreigner,
Elder brother.
elder brother wife.
Yes.
So she doesn't want के घर में एक और foreigner बहू आए because with whom she will do, you know, chit chat, gossip in Hindi.
And she wanted Indian big family with
Yeah.
relatives and all. I can understand her because maybe she is surrounded by this type of, you know, culture and system traditions or whatever. So she wanted it, but you know, you cannot grow your child according to your personal wish. Child is a free human, so he or she is free to choose whatever he or she likes. So we decided, okay, no, we have to marry anyhow. Otherwise, you know, we already like for a few years together, and maybe I will go back to my home. And even I said him many times, see, if you are not deciding, then if you are not marrying me, I will go back to Russia. So I will be out of your this situation, and you do whatever you feel. You marry after your choice. At some point I got really frustrated because this situation. No, I have to wait when parents will agree and all. It made me crazy sometimes. So and then Amir decided to take steps, serious steps by himself.
So सोचा कि convince जिसको करा जाए, obviously you should choose that person, mother या father जिससे आप more close हो, काफी open हो. So I am open to my father more than mother. So I decided to convince my father because my father has open mind. So I thought, okay.
And father already, like, you know, by his mind, he understood that we are together, that we love each other, that we want to be with each other, and that there will be no step back. So we will marry anyhow. He knew that. So probably he wanted to soften the situation.
So father को बताया, Papa, I'm going to marry. Father was like, okay, and then what to do?
मैं क्या करूं?
I was, okay, you decided, you'll be happy, I'm happy, but to convince your mother is like, for him is like a, you know, challenge.
Yes, because he is more simple person, you know. If, for example, some people are talkative, more open to others, then he is more closed. He is keeping all emotions within himself, and he does not share with anyone. That's why for him to talk to his own wife on this topic, it was like, oh my god, it is impossible task for me. I have never talked to her on any serious topic. Like decisions were taken single individually, and now I have to force her or convince her about their decision. Oh,
Too much for
too
him.
much.
So like, there were the tensions meant to happen. Mother was crying. बेटा अगर तुम शादी नहीं करोगे, so I'll do this. Society वाले क्या
No,
करेंगे?
it's called blackmail. Emotional blackmail is the worst thing ever. Emotional blackmail.
Like what thing? बात ये है कि society के बारे में लोग यहाँ ज़्यादा सोचते हैं. Society क्या करेगी? I'm married for almost 3 years. No one bother. No one calls. So like, क्यों सोचें society के बारे में? Society do not think about us. So I try to convince them. Society बात की चीज़ है. पहले घर वाले लोगों को खुश होने चाहिए. थोड़ा चला ड्रामा काफी टाइम हो गया. Mother was no.
The big no, big no. It's like, whatever you do, but you will not marry her. You will never marry her. No, I will select that girl, this girl, whatever you want, but not her.
So मैंने डिसाइड करा कि क्वालिटीज के बारे में और एक्सप्लेन करा जाए. She knows how to cook. She's like this. She knows how to drive. Everything, like all positive qualities. कि you cannot find, because होता क्या है, अरेंज मैरिज में लोग जाते हैं, लड़की देखते हैं, शक्ल देखी, अच्छी लग रही है, हाँ ठीक है, ये अच्छी लगी, हाँ ठीक है, हो गया, डन. लेकिन बाद में प्रॉब्लम्स भी आती हैं. और मैंने कभी डिसाइड नहीं करा था कि मैं अरेंज मैरिज करूंगा, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो फिर काफी टेंशन बढ़ती गई, इमोशनल ड्रामा. सो आई थॉट ओके, बिकॉज फ्रॉम हर साइड she was like, oh, I'll go back to Russia.
No, it was not a blackmail.
Not
It was
blackmail,
honest.
like,
I was
honest.
telling you honestly, see, if we will not think about future step, then what I will be doing here? I will go then. I will go from India because there will be no future for me here like this.
और प्लस उस साल काफी डेंगू केसेस हो रहे थे. And Unfortunately, she got dengue और काफी difficult situation थी क्योंकि
And-
dengue
But
effect
it was not. But it was not that dengue, like mild cold or flu. I got seriously sick.
So dengue is dengue.
Yes.
So काफी serious situation थी because her platelet counts were almost 20,000 और body में इतना pain, fever not going and all. So India में like I thought it's my responsibility because I'm the only one here. So हमने सोचा क्या करें. दिल्ली में hospitals में गए, it was like over occupied everywhere.
We tried to go to even Max, but there were no beds. Can you imagine? They said me, "Oh, you sit here on the chair or in the corridor, but we will charge for the chair." I was seriously saying, "What are you doing?" And then it was like so horrible. And the next day, my health even became worse because I was not able even to walk normally. Oh, that was horror.
So we decided कि क्या करें. दिल्ली में इतना situation खराब हो रहा था डेंगू का. So decided okay, let's go to Agra. We will do treatment there. So वहाँ गए आगरा में. मैंने पापा को फोन करा, पापा ये situation है, मैं आगरा आया हुआ हूँ, मम्मी को मत बताना. So okay. Then she got admitted to hospital. The treatment was like 1 week. 1 week she was.
Maybe a little bit more, I guess,
Yeah.
around 10 days.
So she was in the hospital. Father आते थे जाते थे. Mother को नहीं पता था. So it's like every day my parents call me. My mother calling me, hello बेटा कैसे हो? I'm good. कैसे हो? बढ़िया. और क्या चल रहा है दिल्ली में? दिल्ली में सब चीज चल रहा है. And I was in Agra. And she doesn't know. Father knows. It's like a
And just
secret.
few meters from home.
Just like a few kilometers. That's it. And then I don't know. Like situation came that father told that Amir is here.
And she came to visit. Oh,
And she-
that was very strange. My health was, by that time, it was almost by the end of my staying at the hospital. I already felt better, and that time she came with father.
It was a complete shock. Like you were lying to me all this time. That आगरा में वो आपने मेरे को बताया भी नहीं और इतने दिनों से झूठ बोला. So it was another story.
And plus that he's staying with me in the same room in the hospital. He's looking after me like 24/7.
I was a nurse.
Of course, she did understand that that he is 100%, into serious relations. That he will never change his mind. So within herself, she already knew that she lost this battle. We can say.
Finally situation थोड़ा change हुआ. And then time बढ़ा. So we thought that okay, let's take the final step.
Right.
So we decided to marry. So we did a court marriage. So उसके बाद काफी interesting scene आया. जब parents को obviously बताना तो होता ही है ना.
You have to say.
Yeah.
Sooner or later, you must say that you're going to marry.
So I thought okay, पापा को बताऊंगा सबसे पहले. So my heart was jumping out. What to say? I called father. He was sitting normally somewhere. I got married and he was like, मतलब I got married मतलब. So मैंने कहा बाबा father I got married finally. He said okay, but who will tell mother? I said you will tell mother.
Yes, for him it was fine, you see, because he already he acknowledged and he accepted us, but mother, oh.
Mother difficult. Mothers are mother. So there was a situation, story and all, crying, sentiments and all.
Yes.
So finally, okay, so they got agreed. Then we had function.
We had in Agra mini reception, let's say, and everyone was happy, No one thought something, like no society talks, nothing, no talks.
There was talks.
Maybe behind my back.
Behind
okay?
back, there was
I
talks.
pretend that I do not understand Hindi.
Yeah, that's true. Finally, we got married. Function अच्छे से रहा. लोग आए, खाए और चले गए. That's what people do in India.
Yeah.
We got blessings from father. Now father, mother, they both are happy. They are happy.
Father, yes, but mother, maybe sometimes she feels like maybe I could have taken Indian Bahu. So, but what to do? It's not her choice, it's our choice, right? It's our life, and up to us to decide with whom we are going to be, right?
But she is the best bahu she got. Look, in everything she is good, so it's a plus point. And she feel very happy कि कभी भी जब हम शादी वादी में भी जाते हैं इधर उधर, when her friends are there, relatives are there, she keep on, oh my bahu, people are coming, clicking photographs and all, telling, appreciating. So she also feel good. So which I also like. Okay, finally she's happy.
So now we are 3 years married, and we're really happy with each other. Seriously, like I would not say that maybe we did wrong decision or right decision. I will say that we did 110% right step, because we love each other, we care for each other, we are best friends, and we are best support for each other. So we are made for each other, like a puzzle. Two puzzles are coming.
Yeah, that's true. और मैं आप सब लोगों को यही सजेस्ट करना चाहूंगा, इफ यू लाइक सम पर्सन बाय हार्ट, डू नॉट लूज होप. काफी लोग ये सोच लेते हैं कि घर वाले नहीं मान रहे हैं, और काफी सेंटीमेंट, बिकॉज घर वाले ट्राई करते हैं आपको इमोशनली, कि आप माइंड
Emotional attack.
Yeah, so if you love someone, if you feel like this is the right one, or this is, I cannot live without that person, you should go for it. घर
But-
वाले मान जाते हैं.
But
sooner or
friends,
later.
see, it should be mutual. Whenever
Yeah.
we are saying that do whatever you feel like, whatever your heart is calling you, it should be mutual. It means if you feel like this about that person also should feel the same about you. It's not that that person is not 100% about you. It's not that 100% that person is not serious, or he or she does not want to be with you that much, or he or she cannot sacrifice so many things as you can. So whenever you're planning to make a big step, you have to be sure in the partner with whom you're making your future plans, with whom you're going to stay till the end of this human's life.
Yeah, that's true.
So I believe that my decision and my choices are the best, and they are the only ones right. And if in case I had to repeat the same things again, I would repeat, and I will do it again and again, because he is my person and I am 100% sure about him.
और अगर मुझे भी अगर रिपीट करना पड़े दोबारा ये चांस इरीना को मैरी करने का, सो आई विल विदाउट हेजिटेशन, आई विल स्ट्रेट गो एंड मैरी हर, बिकॉज शी इज अ वंडरफुल पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड,
The most wonderful.
द मोस्ट वंडरफुल.
See, I am correcting him, huh?
सो दोस्तों, कैसी लगी आपको हमारी लव स्टोरी? सो आप जरूर बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में.
I hope now you have all doubts cleared about our love story, how we met and how we got married. Of course, it's just a shortcut, because during our long journey we had these or that troubles, because we're just the same as all of you. We are normal people, and who lives without troubles? Everyone has some small problems during their life, but we have to overcome, and we have to support each other. We should deal with it. We have to just sacrifice sometimes and love and care for each other. Then you will be happy in your married life. Does not matter whom you choose, from which country, from which place, which person you're going to marry. If you love, then love will win always.
Love is always winning, and in
Right.
relationship you have to sacrifice a little bit for the happiness of the other person.
Right.
It's not like I'm the man, I'm the female, like I will not sacrifice. Marriage will not work out like that.
Right. So love each other, take care for each other, and be happy.
So if you like our today's vlog,
Don't forget to press the
like button,
and
subscribe to our channel.
see you very soon.
Bye bye.